What's up guys, Shaz Gaming here. Today we will be unlocking a new car in Asphalt 9 Legends. So now let's jump into the video. When you go to daily events, if you want to unlock a car, you can either go to this daily car loot, or you can either go to car hunt and races, or this thing. It's class B cup, class C. Okay, so this is the car we will be unlocking today. It's called an W70 exotic, right? Okay, so I have 29 blueprints for this, and I need 30. So I just need one. If I win with a Porsche 911 GTS Coupe, I have the car. So if I win with it, I get one blueprint, which means I have unlocked the car. So let's race. So this is a Porsche 911 GTS Coupe, and let's play. And so when it's loading, I'll tell you about Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends is a free game that you can download in App Store or Google Play, and it's free to download. Okay, now let me load. Okay, now it's coming. So I have to win this if I want to unlock the car. If I don't win this, I won't get that blueprint. 3, 2, 1. And I'm in 6th position, 3rd to 1st position. Okay, still in first. More shock weaving, and no. Oh, 1 second now. I'm back into first place. Third, now second. Oh shoot. God. I'm still in second place. Oh, it will be first. Now I'm first. Yes. Okay. So now, now I'm still in first place. I think I'll be winning this. Okay, I'll go. Yes. And I won the match. So now let's unlock that car. Okay, there it is. We unlocked the car, and I also got. Okay, and okay, and now let's check out that car. I got it. Unlock car. Yeah, I'll skip this. Next. Okay, let's go to the check out the car. It's a class B car. Let's see. Man, it looks so cool. Especially back. And that was, see, now I'm gonna upgrade it. I'm gonna upgrade it first. Okay. I'm only gonna be spending around 40,000 on the upgrades. But look at this, look at my, how much I have. I have, okay, I have 2,279,560 credits. So I think this, wait, I can also, now I have it still 2 million. Now let's see his rank. Ooh, 1,848. Okay. So that was the car. I have unlocked the car, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.